So in today's video, I will guide you with how you can install MS Office completely free. We won't use any third-party installers or the crack version. Also, you won't need any subscription. We will only use official Microsoft tools to install MS Office for free. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe Winresolver for more such videos. So let's get started. So first of all, uninstall any MS Office product on your PC. So for this, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now here search for Control Panel and press Enter to open it. Now here click on this option which says Uninstall a program. Now here select MS Office and then click on Uninstall. And now wait until the process is completed. Now once the Office is removed, close all the windows. Now after this, open the browser on your PC. Click on this address bar. Here type config.office.com. Press enter to visit it. This is the official Office customization tool. From here we will create custom MS Office installer. Now on this page, scroll down. Here click on this create button. Here under the architecture, select 64-bit. After this scroll down, click on this drop down menu. Now select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. After this scroll down. Now under the apps, select all the apps you want to install. For example, I only want Access, PowerPoint, Word and Excel. So I will turn off toggle for all the other apps. Like this. Once done, click on Next. Under the languages, click on this drop down menu. Now from here, select a preferred language. For example, I am selecting English, United States. Now once you do all this, click on Export. Now you will have to select default file format. Here select Office Open XML format. Now click on OK. Now here, check this box to accept license agreement. Now once you do this, click on Export. Click on Keep and this will download the Configuration.xml file. The next step is to download Office Deployment Tool. For this, open the new tab in the browser. Now here search for Office Deployment Tool. Now you will see this official link from Microsoft. Open it. After this, click on Download. And this will download the Office Deployment Tool. Now after this, minimize the browser. Open the File Explorer on your PC. For this, press Windows plus E key. From the left pane, click on Downloads. Now as you can see here, we have Configuration File and Office Deployment Tool. Double click on Office Deployment Tool. Check this box. Click on Continue. Now after this, select a folder to extract the files. For example, let's select Downloads. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now as you can see here, the files are extracted. And here we also have the sample configuration file. Ignore it. Now after this, create a new folder. For this, right click. Now click on New and then select Folder. Name the folder Office. Move the setup file and the configuration file inside this Office folder. Once you do this, we will use CMD to install MS Office. So first of all, open the Office folder. Click here and copy the address. After this, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now here search for CMD and now click on this option. This will run CMD as admin. Now here type cd space and paste the address. After this, press enter. Type the command that you see on your screen. Now here make sure the XML file name is same as this file. Once you type the command, press enter. This will start installing MS Office. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and the number of apps you selected. So wait until the process is completed. Once the installation is completed, click on Close. Close the command prompt. Now you can run the installed apps on the MS Office. For this, open the Start menu. Now let's search for Word and press enter to open it. Click on Accept. Click on Next. After this, click on Don't Send Optional Data. Click on Done. And now you can use MS Office for free. If you go to Account. Now as you can see here, this says Activation Required. Well, this method bypass the activation requirement during the installation. Well, now you can use MS Office for free. But for all the features, you will still require the paid version. So this is how you can download and install MS Office without any subscription. So I hope you find this video helpful. And for more such tech content, subscribe this channel. So See you in the next one. Till then, bye.